we extend a very, very warm welcome to each and everyone present over here. We are pleased to have you join us today to commemorate the listing of the equity shares of RR Kabel Limited on the BSE, a significant milestone for the company. Ladies and gentlemen, before we proceed, I request everyone to kindly stand in attention for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you. I request you to take your seats. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it is said that those who create history do not change everything in one day, but bring one change every day. And bringing one such change today is RR Kabel Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, with an enduring legacy of over 2 decades in the Indian consumer electrical industry, emerges as a trailblazer crafting history, one transformative step at a time. In the midst of a thriving Indian consumer electrical industry, RR Kabel's commitment to innovation and reliability shines through. As one of the top players in the wires and cables market in India, RR Kabel's unwavering dedication to quality and innovation sets them apart. Their pioneering introduction of low smoke zero halogen, that is LSOH, insulation technology in wires and cables is a testament to their spirit of innovation. RR Kabel's expansion into fast-moving electrical goods, that is FMEG, is another testament to their forward-thinking approach, achieved through strategic acquisitions that broaden their product portfolio and solidify their position as industry trendsetters. Their journey exemplifies the spirit of gradual yet profound transformation, lighting the way toward a brighter and electrifying future in the Indian consumer electrical industry. Ladies and gentlemen, as we celebrate this very momentous occasion of the listing ceremony of RR Kabel Limited on the BSE, we would like to welcome our esteemed guests with a bouquet of flowers. We have here with us today the Board of Directors and Management Team of RR Kabel Limited. Please help me in welcoming on stage Mr. Tribhuvan Kabra, Promoter and Executive Chairman. Let's give a warm welcome to him. I request you to please come on stage, sir. Very, very warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you, sir. I would like to invite on stage Mr. Sri Gopal Kabra, Promoter and Managing Director. Very, very warm welcome to you. Welcome, sir. Thank you, sir. Please help me in welcoming on stage Mr. Mahendra Kabra, Promoter and Joint Managing Director. Very, very warm welcome to you, sir. Please help me in welcoming on stage Mr. Bhagwat Singh Babel, Independent Director. Welcome, sir. Please help me in welcoming Mr. Vipul Sabharwal, Independent Director. Welcome, sir. Please help me in welcoming on stage Mr. Ramesh Chandak, Independent Director. Very warm welcome, sir. We would also like to welcome the representatives, that is the book running lead managers. Please help me in welcoming on stage Mr. Ashish Kumbhat, Executive Director and Co-Head, ECM Access Capital Limited. Welcome, sir. Let's give a warm welcome to Mr. Rajiv Jamani, Managing Director, Investment Banking from Citigroup Global Markets India Private Limited. Welcome, sir. Thank you, sir. Please help me in welcoming on stage Mr. Amitabh Malhotra, Head of Global Banking, India from HSBC Securities and Capital Markets India Private Limited. Welcome, sir. Please help me in welcoming Mr. Devin Kampani, Deputy CEO, Investment Banking from JM Financial Limited. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. It gives me immense pleasure to invite on stage Mr. Girish Joshi, Chief Listing and Trading Development, BSE, to please come on stage. Thank you. And thank you once again for joining us for this very, very momentous occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now begin this landmark occasion by lighting the ceremonial lamp. From R.R. Kabel Limited, may I request Padma Shri Awardee, Shri Rameshwar Lalji Kabra, Srimati Ratni Devi Kabra, Mr. Tribhuvan Kabra, Mr. Mahendra Kabra, Mr. Sri Krupal Kabra, Mrs. K.T. Kabra to join us for the lamp lighting. I also request Mr. Girish Joshi from BSE to please join us, as well as the book running lead managers as well. Thank you so much. And with that, this marks a new and prosperous beginning for RR Kabel Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, now moving forward, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Deven Kampani, Deputy CEO of Investment Banking, JM Financial Limited, to initiate the proceedings. Very, very warm welcome to you, sir.
A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the management of RR Kabel and the team of book running lead managers, I would like to welcome you all to the listing ceremony of the initial public offering of RR Kabel. Today is a memorable day for all of us as we witness RR Kabel writing a new chapter with its listing and making its debut on the Indian bourses. All of us at JM Financial have always believed in the story of RR Kabel, led by Shri Gopal Kabra ji and his able team. And I'm feeling very proud to say that the response from investors across the globe has reinstated our faith manifold. Investors both globally and domestically have admired the strong foundation and core principles of trust, quality, and innovation on which this company has been built. The public issue of 1,974 crores received an outstanding response across all categories. The anchor book saw an overwhelming demand of 54 global and domestic long-only investors and mutual funds, which gave this issue a very robust start. This was aggressively followed with the main book garnering an overall subscription of 18.7 times, generating a demand of 25,000 crores. The QIB category got 52 times oversubscribed, HNI 16 times, and retail 2.1 times. On behalf of all the book running lead managers, I acknowledge and appreciate the good work done by all the teams in making this IPO such a grand success. Additionally, as a post-issue coordinating banker, I would like to specially congratulate and thank SEBI, BSE, NSE, and the company registrar for helping us complete the post-issue formalities in a record time and achieving a listing in T+2 time frame. Friends, this makes RR Kabel the first company in India to complete this in T+2 time frame. We thank Shri Gopal ji and the TPG team led by Bitesh Daga for giving us an opportunity to work on this prestigious transaction. Shri Gopal ji, on this auspicious day, your responsibility has grown manifold. From a few shareholders, today you are welcoming 487,000 shareholders. We at JM Financial assure you our continued support in this journey to make RR Kabel India's most trusted and admired consumer electric brand. Heartiest congratulations and our best wishes for a successful inning as a leading listed company of India. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for initiating the proceedings. Ladies and gentlemen, now please help me in inviting on stage Mr. Ashish Kumbat, Executive Director and Co-Head, ECM, Access Capital Limited. Very, very warm welcome to you, sir.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. I think nothing less than congratulating Kabraji and family and TPG for this auspicious day. I think all of us were waiting for this day, and trust me, when you achieve everything before time, how does it feel? Only Kabraji can explain when he'll be on the stage. We not only achieved the listing in T+2 days, but finished the overall process also well before the time. We had certain timelines in mind that we will list before Diwali, we'll list before Shraddh and everything. And thanks to the company team, especially Kabraji, Rajeshji, Satish, Pratik, and TPG team, and all the intermediaries involved with us in the process, lawyers, auditors, registrar, to get us here on this day much before the anticipated time. The result is, we have seen the subscription numbers as Devin mentioned. I won't repeat all of that, how successful the issue has been, and I think within 30 minutes we will know the listing as well. I just want to say a few lines. Kabraji, having worked with you so closely for last 9 months, we started the process on 16th of December, and in close to about 9 months we are here on listing. We filed the DRHP on 9th of May. A few lines for you, if you permit me, sir. यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, एक जुनून सा दिल में जगाना होता है. पूछा चिड़िया से कैसे बनाया आशियाना तो बोली, भरनी पड़ती है उड़ान बार बार, तिनका तिनका उठाना होता है. All for you, sir. Congratulations and all the best.
Thank you so much, sir. Now please help me in welcoming on stage Mr. Sri Gopal Kabra, Promoter and Managing Director, RR Kabel Limited. A very warm welcome, sir.
परम श्रद्धेय बापूजी, माँ, ये जो आरआर है ये दो ही है. जिनके नाम पर आरआर ब्रांड है, आरआर का मतलब है रिस्पेक्टेबल रिलेशंस. आज हम भारत के इतिहास में दो इतिहास रचने जा रहे हैं. एक, कल नए भारत के पार्लियामेंट का उद्घाटन हुआ, उसके बाद की पहली कंपनी आज लिस्टिंग होगी. दूसरा, भारत के इतिहास में जो T2 यानी कि इशू क्लोज होने के 2 दिन के अंदर इसको लिस्टिंग करना, इसके लिए मैं BSE, NSE, SEBI, सारे बैंकर्स और सारी एजेंसीज को बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूँ, साथ में साधुवाद करना चाहता हूँ. कुछ भी प्रथम करना ये एक हमारा कल्चर है, ये आरआर काबिल की संस्कृति है. इसमें भी हमने पहला किया. हम जिस क्वालिटी को लेकर आए, 1999 में लो स्मोक जीरो हेलोजन वायर बनाने वाली भारत की पहली कंपनी आपकी कंपनी आरआर काबिल है. 1999 में VD जर्मन अप्रूवल ये किसी कंपनी को भारत में मिला तो ये आपकी कंपनी आरआर काबिल को है. हम रोज न्यूज़पेपर में हेडलाइन में पढ़ते हैं कि आग से इतनी जान हानि हुई, आग से इतने लोग मरे. दोस्तों, मैं मीडिया से भी आह्वान करता हूँ, नाम आग का होता है लेकिन लोग धुएं से अधिक नुकसान होता है. तो पहली कंपनी भारत की जो काला धुआं रहित वायर, जिसको इंग्लिश में लो स्मोक जीरो हेलोजन वायर बोलते हैं, हम पहली कंपनी बने. हम एकमात्र कंपनी है विश्व में जिसके पास, मैं वापस रिपीट करता हूँ, एकमात्र कंपनी है विश्व में जिसके पास 35 इंटरनेशनल अप्रूवल है सिंगल फैक्ट्री में. हम भारत की एकमात्र कंपनी है जो ROHS और रीच कंप्लायंस को मेंटेन करते हैं, जबकि भारत में इसकी आवश्यकता नहीं है, यूरोप में इसकी आवश्यकता है. लेकिन हमारे लिए इन्वायरमेंट और सेफ्टी ये एक परम करते हुए इस प्रकार से हम करते हैं. आज और मैं आगे बढ़ूं उसके पहले कुछ लोगों का उल्लेख करना बहुत ज़रूरी है इस यात्रा में. सबसे पहले मेरे सबसे बड़े भाई साहब, जिनको कोई नाम से नहीं बुलाता, भाई जी, जिनका कुशल नेतृत्व, महेंद्र जी का टेक्निकल ब्रेन, कीर्ति का ब्रांड, संजय का इंटरनेशनल विजन, जैन साहब की कुशलता, सतीश जी का सबको साथ में लेके चलना, लेकिन इस यात्रा में हमने 4 लोग खोए भी हैं। मेरी दोनों भाभियाँ, मेरे साथी दिनेश जी मोदानी और अशोक लोया। आज अगर उनको याद करना, इस यात्रा को पूर्ण, उनके याद किए बिना यात्रा पूर्ण नहीं हो सकती। टुडे इज ए माइलस्टोन डे फॉर आवर कंपनी, a day we have all been eagerly waiting and anticipating. We stand here tall at the heart of the stock exchange and truly seizing bull by the horn. It's not just an IPO, but something much more profound. That's where I say IPO, the initial offering of electrical safety. Our company has earned its reputation for unwavering quality and global presence. We are not just in the business of consumer electrical, but we are in the business of securing homes and lives. And now, with the increased number of shareholders joining us today, we embark on a journey to take the message of electrical safety to every corner of the globe. Today, we welcome 487,000 plus new shareholders into our family. We enclose the power of this collective effort. It's not just about investments, it's about shared vision of making homes safe for families worldwide. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all those shareholders who have believed in our company and quality of our brand. Today we all own a piece of this legacy, and it's mine and my team's collective duty to ensure that our brand valuation reaches newer heights. Sitting in this chair, I pledge to ensure that our company will never compromise on quality, safety, and well-being of people's lives. Thank you all for being a part of this remarkable journey, and I look forward to a future where every house, everywhere is a home of electrical safety. I am confident now even skies are not the limit. We have proven through Chandrayaan and now Mission Aditya. सूर्योदय हो चुका है, अब समय हमारा है, अब सबसे आगे होंगे हम हिंदुस्तानी. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for always inspiring us. Ladies and gentlemen, I would now to request to please and welcome on stage Mr. Girish Joshi, Chief Listing and Trading Development, BSE, to share his thoughts. Very warm welcome, sir.
Distinguished dignitaries and friends from the fraternity, good morning and very warm welcome to all of you present here at the BSE's iconic International Convention Center for the listing ceremony of RR Kabel Limited. Today is also auspicious day because we are celebrating Ganpati festival, and in this auspicious day company is getting listed, and also Jain community is doing Michhami Dukadam. So Michhami Dukadam to everyone, and also Hare Krishna, Radhe Krishna to everyone. So on behalf of BSE, I would like to welcome Sri Trivivanji Kabraji, promoter, Sri Gopal Kabraji, promoter and managing director, Sri Mahendra Kabraji, joint managing director, all three independent director, Vipul sir, independent director, plus my friends from investment banking community, Sir Deven Kampani, Deputy CEO in JM Financials, Ashish Kumbat, ED Co-Head, Axis Capital, Amitabh Malhotra from HSBC Capital, Rajiv Jumani, Managing Director, Investment Banking City Group. Welcome all of you. It is our privilege and honor to host the listing ceremony of RR Kabel on account of its successful public offer. With an operating history of more than 2 decades, RR Kabel happens to be one of the leading companies in Indian consumer electric industry, comprising wires and cables and fast-moving electrical goods, in fact, within top 5 in India. As our nation paves its way towards making inspiring and stabilizing shifts in the ESG and sustainability segment, we are happy to learn about the company's conscious efforts towards environment, social and corporate governance compliance. Being a top-tier company in its league, RR Cable puts rampant efforts in promotion of green energy, community development, and conservation of water. The overwhelming response received in its subscriptions is the epitome of its success story, its strong corporate values, as an impact-driven vision. I would like to congratulate RR Cable on the success of this colossal issue. With this, RR Cable is now the newest member in the family. Now, you know BSE history. BSE is as good as the story of Indian economy. Now, it's with 149 old history. BSE is one of the oldest working public institution in India, having created wealth to the tune of more than US $3.5 trillion, including equity and debt. BSE is world the largest exchange in terms of the number of listed companies, which stands at 5235 today. Over the past 149 years, exchange has successfully offered an efficient capital raising platform to companies in India. And it is in this international convention hall that we have witnessed the development in Indian capital market over several decades. First, it was a trading ring. People do outcry trading with hand gestures. Now it is a convention hall, post-digitization and automation. The benchmark index of BSE, called BSE Sensex, is tracked by investors across the globe and has grown since India opened its economy in 1991. It is also considered as a barometer for the growth of Indian economy. BSE provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in all instruments: equity, debt, equity derivatives, currency derivatives, commodity, interest rate derivatives, mutual funds, stock lending and borrowing. BSE provides a host of other services to capital market participants, including risk management, clearing, settlement, market data services, and of course, education. It has a global reach with customers around the world and nationwide presence. BSE systems and processes are designed to safeguard market integrity, drive the growth of the Indian capital market, and stimulate innovation and competition across all market segments. The S&P BSE Sensex and S&P BSE BankX, two derivatives contracts we have recently launched, and it has witnessed a significant turnover, and it has been witnessing a consistent rise in both turnover on open interest for these contracts, which has a unique expiry on Friday. And even I would want to share for last 3 Friday, we have received turnover almost more than 90 lakhs crores. So it's thanks for support of all investment bankers and all of you. We also, the finance minister has announced in the 2021 budget also. So social stock exchange also BSE has launched, and it is also getting good response. We are getting listing of social enterprises, and one company is going to do the fundraising soon. So in concluding, I would like to say we are confident that by listing on BSE, RR Cable will not only be able to enhance its visibility and profile, but also broaden its investor base to further deepen its line of business. BSE looks forward to being RR Cable's preferred fundraising partner continually as it expands its reach and grows in scale. I wish this esteemed entity all the very best on account of successful listing. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, to commemorate the significance of this event, we'll now have an exchange of mementos. I would like to invite Mr. Sri Gopal Kabra of RR Kabel Limited to please come on stage to receive memento from Sir. Thank you. Now I request Mr. Tribhuvan Kabra, Executive Chairman, to please come on stage to receive the memento. A warm welcome. I request Mr. Mahendra Kabra, Joint Managing Director, to please come on stage. I request Mr. Dinesh Agarwal, CEO, Domestic Business, to please come on stage. I request Mr. Sanjay Taparia, CEO, International Business, to please join us on stage. I request Mr. Rajesh Jain, CFO, to please join us on stage. To receive the momentum, may I please invite Mr. Satish Agarwal, Chief Strategy Officer, to please come on stage. May I request Mr. Vivek Abrol, CEO, FMEG, to please come on stage. I request Mr. Shishir Sharma, Chief Sales Officer, Wires and Cables, to please join us on stage. I request Mr. Vinod Parur, CHRO, to please join us on stage. Please help me in welcoming Mr. Himanshu Parmar, Company Secretary, to please join us on stage. Please help me in welcoming Mr. Balachandran Dharman to please join us on stage. I would like to invite Ms. Mamta Roya to please join us on stage. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. May I once again request Mr. Sri Gopal Kabra to please come on stage and present the special memento to Mr. Girish Joshi from the company's side. Thank you. I request Mr. Kabra to please be on stage. Thank you, sir. As now we'll be presenting mementos from the company's side. I request Mr. Ashish Kumbat, Executive Director and Co-Head ECM Access Capital Limited, to please come on stage. I request representative from HSBC Securities and Capital Markets India Private Limited to please come on stage. I request a representative from Citigroup Global Markets India Private Limited to please be on standby next to the stage. I request Mr. Devin Kampani, Deputy CEO, Investment Banking from JM Financial Limited, to please join us on stage. May I request representatives from Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas to please be on standby next to the stage. Thank you. Yes, I request to please be on stage. At the same time, I request representatives from Khaitan & Co. to please be on standby next to the stage. Yes, I request the representatives of Khaitan & Co. to please come forward. Same time, I request representatives from BSR and Company LLP, Chartered Accountants, Statutory Auditors to the company to please come on stage. I request representatives from Lincoln Time India Private Limited, registrar to the offer, to please come on stage. Request representatives from Ad Factors PR and Advertising Communications, partners to the offer, to please come on stage. Request representatives from Orient Press, printer to the offer, to please come on stage. We would also acknowledge the contribution of White & Case International Council to BRLM. Thank you. Yes. Thank you so much, sir. I once again request Mr. Girish Joshi to please come on stage from BSE, who will be presenting iconic BSE bulls to the BRLMs. I once again request on stage Mr. Ashish Kumbat, Executive Director and Co-Head ECM, Access Capital Limited, to please come on stage. I request Mr. Rajiv Jumani, Managing Director, Investment Banking from Citigroup Global Markets India Private Limited, to please join us on stage. I request Mr. Amitabh Malhotra, Head of Global Banking, India from HSBC Securities and Capital Markets, India Private Limited, to please come on stage. And I would request Mr. Devin Kampani, Deputy CEO, Investment Banking from JM Financial Limited, to please come on stage. Very warm welcome to you, sir. May I now request Mr. Amitabh Malhotra, Head of Global Banking, India, HSBC, to come on stage and say a few words. Warm welcome, sir.
Good morning, and thank you all for this opportunity. We are at a major milestone in the journey of RR Kabel. Its shareholders, its management, employees, vendors, and all of the stakeholders. On this occasion, I would like to acknowledge the hard work put in by all of you that has made it possible for us to be at this ऐतिहासिक पल. Massive call out and congratulations are due for the company, its shareholders, its management, the registrar, the stock exchange for its support, all of the councils, the auditors, the banks, the advisors, and everybody involved in the run-up to the listing. This point in time, it will hopefully define the many firsts a company can achieve here on. It has already set the ball rolling by being the first in all time for the T+2 listing timelines. This moment would be incomplete without thanking a few individuals. Right from the top, Sri Gopalji, whose vision, passion, and commitment has not only got the company to these heights, but was continuously visible in his engagement in the IPO process. Rajesh Jainji, the company CFO, Mr. Satish Agrawal, Mr. Shishir Sharma, Mr. Vivek Abral, and obviously Mr. Pratik Agrawal. Without your guidance and support, which we have received relentlessly over months in preparation, this day wouldn't have been possible. Special thanks to TPG and Mitesh. I wish all the best for this listing. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now we've reached the historic moment. We're just a few seconds away from the customary countdown. I request everybody in the audience to please take in your seats because we have videographers right there. The media is covering us. All right. Okay, we're just 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hearty, hearty congratulations. Can we have the investment bankers on stage, please, for the group photo op?
After this photo op, there will be 2 more speeches. इस photo op के बाद 2 speeches और होंगे. आपका नहीं. इसके बाद हम बाद में photos करेंगे. 2 speeches बाकी हैं.
Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated as we'll be continuing the ceremony with the speeches and the vote of thanks. So request everybody to please take in your seats after this photo op. I'll be continuing with the ceremony now.
So we need to continue with the program now. There are 2 speeches left.
After this, we'll be taking in the speeches and continuing with the ceremony. I request everybody to please take in your seats. Yeah. We'll be continuing the photo ops post the. Yeah. Now I request Mr. Rajiv Jumani, Managing Director, Investment Banking, Citigroup, to please come on stage to say a few words.
Good morning, everybody. As we say it within investment banking, perfect listing. Heartiest congratulations, sir. Heartiest congratulations to the company, to the management team, to TPG, to all of us. It is, of course, a momentous, one of the most important milestones in the lifetime of the company, so I congratulate all. On behalf of RR Kabel, senior management team, promoters, and City and other book runners, I thank you all for taking out time and joining us for this momentous occasion. This is a very proud moment for the company, the management team, TPG, and all its employees, of course. I would like to congratulate them all. We truly believe RR Kabel is a leader in the Indian consumer electricals industry, and its equity story has resonated extremely well with the investor community. We are confident that this IPO will be hugely successful, and of course the IPO has of course been very successful, but the listing has been super successful as well. I'm sure this day will be remembered fondly, with RR Kabel continue to share many more milestones going forward. We wish everyone all the best, and thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. And now to present the vote of thanks, may I invite on stage Mr. Rajesh Jain, Chief Financial Officer, RR Kabel Limited.
All respected dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for coming here to celebrate listing of RR Kabel. Being fastest growing consumer electrical company, RR Kabel is known and trusted for safety and quality products. I would like to thank founders of the company who had vision to make this company with trusted brand and global presence. Today, as we gather to mark this another milestone in the journey of our company, we remember and thank to their determination and foresight. With the extraordinary growth in the last 23 years, which is backed by innovation, trust, and quality, we could achieve this position with joint efforts of our all team members, customers, and suppliers, to whom we are thankful and grateful. With many firsts already in our cap, now we are also first company to get listed within 2 days. I would like to thank our BRLM, Axis, JM, City, HSBC, the legal counsels, CAM, White & Case, Khetan & Company, as AZB. sponsor banks ICICI and Axis, our auditors BSR and Company, ICA Bagwakar Dalal and Doshi, Registrar Lincoln Time, Fund Monitoring Agency ICRA, Advisor to Company for IPO Nova One, PR Agency AdFactor, and our team who worked relentlessly to make it possible. I would also like to thank BSE for hosting us today for our listing ceremony. With once again thanks to all of you being part of this event, I congratulate each and every one for this historic moment of RR Kabel. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. On that note, once again, hearty congratulations to RR Kabel Limited, which is now officially listed on the stock exchanges. It's truly been a milestone for the journey of the company. We're grateful to our host, BSE, members of the board, the book running lead managers, and all of you who took your precious time to celebrate this moment with us. Once again, let's have a huge round of applause for this absolutely beautiful moment. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you the refreshments are served in the F&B area. Also, we'll be continuing with the photo ops now. I request everybody to please come on stage for the photo op. Thank you.